going to discuss about properties of genetic material. Properties of genetic material. Properties of genetic material. So last classes, what we discussed last classes, transforming principle given by Frederick Griffith, then biochemical nature of transforming principle given by Avery, MacLeod and McCarthy, DNA only genetic material confirmed by Hershey and Chase scientists. Then properties of genetic material. What is the criteria for genetic material? DNA. Who is genetic material? KKR genetic material, of genetic material, DNA genetic material, RNA genetic material, protein genetic material. So they were given one criteria. So criteria for genetic material. Criteria for genetic material. 3 marks question. Criteria for genetic material. 3 mark question, Anna. Very important. It should be able to replica. So this is the main criteria. When the DNA or RNA or protein, anything, it followed these criteria, those are considered as a genetic material. So here first one, it should be able to replica. Able to replica. Replica means replicate. Replicate means another copy. Then it should show slow changes. It should show slow changes. Slow changes nothing but mutation. Slow changes, mutation. It leads to evolution. Slow changes leads to evolution. Evolution also. Then chemically structurally stable. Chemically structurally stable. Structurally stable. Follow the Mendelian. It should be follow the Mendelian traits. Mendelian. Follow the Mendelian inheritance or Mendelian traits, no problem. So who are follow these criteria? Those are all belongs to genetic material. So it should be able to replica. Replica means replication, involved in replication generally. Then it should show the slow changes, slowly changes. That means a mutation. It leads to evolution. Chemically, structurally stable. The compound or the structures chemically or structurally stable. Then it follow the Mendelian inheritance or Mendelian traits. Those are nothing but genetic material. So this is the criteria for genetic material. DNA and RNA. DNA and RNA follow these criteria. So that's why DNA and RNA both are genetic material. DNA, RNA both are follow this criteria. That's why DNA and RNA both are genetic material. But protein is not follow this criteria. Protein is not a genetic material. Protein is not genetic material. This is a general criteria. Now DNA versus RNA. DNA versus RNA. So which is unstable? So take on DNA, RNA. DNA, RNA both are genetic material. Now come to DNA versus RNA. DNA versus RNA means some information about RNA and DNA. RNA is unstable. I thought you know very well. RNA unstable. RNA having additional hydroxyl group present on second prime. Second prime additional hydroxyl group is present. Second prime hydroxyl group is present. That's why it's less stable. I mean unstable. Then in place of thymine, uracil is present. Uracil is present. So then not only that, and then act as a catalyst. So hence catalyst, it is nothing but reactive. So however RNA is a genetic material, it having additional hydroxyl group present on second prime. That's why unstable. Uracil present in place of thymine. RNA act as a catalyst 23SR RNA. RNA act as a catalyst 23SR RNA. So that's why it is reactive also. Sometimes question also. RNA act as a catalyst. hence it is a reactive. Those statements are correct. RNA acts as a catalyst, so it's a reactive. Then mutates faster. Mutates faster. Mutate faster, Nana. Very fast mutation. Rapid mutation is there. So structurally unstable, less stable also. This is generally RNA. However, it is a genetic material. RNA structures. Then RNA is a genetic material in some organism. QB bacteriophage. RNA is genetic material in which organism? QB bacteriophage. QB bacteriophage. QB bacteriophage. TMV, tobacco mosaic virus. HIV, human immunovirus. These are all RNA is a genetic material. Sometimes even theory question, 1 mark question also. Can you mention the organism which having RNA is a genetic material? QB bacteriophage, tobacco mosaic virus, HIV, human immunovirus. This is nothing but general. Then about the DNA stories are. What about DNA stories are? DNA. What is about DNA? You see here DNA. DNA is a more stable. DNA more stable. So here DNA having thymine is present. We told already thymine. Thymine is nothing but additional stability. So complementary basis pairs with through hydrogen bonds. So that's why it having the additional stability. Thymine is present. Then it having hydrogen bonds. Hydrogen bonds are there. So additional stability it is. DNA more stable. Less reactive also. More stable, less reactive. Chemically, structurally stable. That is also. More stable, less reactive. Slow mutation. So that's why DNA is a more stable when compared to RNA. DNA is a more stable when compared to RNA. This is another DNA versus RNA. So here DNA versus RNA, some features what I was given here. Then comparison when between DNA and RNA, which store the genetic information. Both are stores, but more stable genetic material is the DNA. Then which of the following genetic material is helpful for the transformation of the genetic information? Better genetic material RNA. RNA is a better genetic material to transfer the genetic information. But DNA is a better genetic material for store the genetic information. This is 2 words important. DNA is a better genetic material for store the genetic information, but RNA is a better genetic material for transfer the genetic information. That is important. Now come to differences between DNA and RNA. So that is for 5 mark question also may chances to come. Differences between DNA and RNA. DNA and RNA. 5 mark question theory also important. One side table one side DNA, one side RNA. DNA means where it is occurs. DNA present in majority portion present in nucleus. Little amount present in cytoplasm, mitochondria and chloroplast. Mitochondria and chloroplast. Majority portion present in nucleus, little amount present in cytoplasm, mitochondria, chloroplast. But RNA, majority portion present in cytoplasm, little amount present in cytoplasm means mitochondria, chloroplast, not separate cytoplasm. Little amount present in nucleus, little amount present in nucleus, mitochondria, and chloroplast also, chloroplast. This is a location, exact location. Next, DNA having deoxyribose sugar is present. DNA pentose sugar na deoxyribose sugar is present. Deoxyribose sugar formula C5H10O4, deoxyribose sugar. There ribose sugar is present. Ribose sugar is present. Ribose sugar formula C5H10O5 formula. Sometimes question also, mention the formula for ribose sugar present in RNA, C5H10O5. Mention the formula for deoxyribose sugar, C5H10O4. Next, nitrogen bases. Here nitrogen bases. What nitrogen bases are present in DNA? Nitrogen bases. Adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. 4 nitrogen bases, adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine is present in DNA. But here, adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil is present. Adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil is present. RNA, generally RNA. Then some other information still in DNA and RNA. DNA having a large number of nucleotides are there. Large number of nucleotides are present in DNA, up to 4.3 million nucleotides. 4.3 million nucleotides. Here fewer means lesser number nucleotides, up to 1200 nucleotides only. So large number up to 4.3 million nucleotides, there fewer number of nucleotides up to 1200 nucleotides only. 1200 nucleotides. DNA is a genetic material majority of the organism. DNA majority of organisms have DNA only genetic material. DNA genetic material. GM means genetic material. But some viruses, that is very important. Some viruses, plant viruses, majority plant viruses, and some animal viruses. RNA is a genetic material. Plant viruses, majority of plant viruses, some animal viruses are having RNA is a genetic material. DNA double stranded. DNA is a double stranded. RNA majority single stranded, except in SS means single stranded. RNA is single stranded, except in some regions of tRNA and rRNA. Then some additional DNA more stable. But RNA is a less stable. RNA less stable. Then see here, third one, DNA replicate. DNA self-replicate. DNA self-replicate. But RNA synthesized with the help of DNA. With the help of DNA by transcription process. Still some points there. See here. This is still DNA indirectly involved in protein synthesis. DNA, but RNA directly involved in protein synthesis. DNA indirectly involved in protein synthesis, but RNA is directly involved in a protein synthesis. Then see here, I am giving the differences once again. Careful of that. DNA, majority of organism, a majority of the DNA present in nucleus, little amount present in mitochondria, just generally, not cytoplasm exactly, mitochondria to chloroplast. But RNA, majority of RNA present in cytoplasm, little amount present in nucleus and mitochondria to chloroplast. DNA में deoxyribose sugar present C5H10O4. RNA में ribose sugar is present C5H10O5. Then DNA में nitrogen bases are there and nitrogen bases are adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. RNA having adenine, guanine, cytosine, uracil is present. So there thymine present in DNA, RNA is a uracil. Common point also. What is the common nitrogen bases in DNA and RNA? Adenine, guanine, cytosine. What is the differences between DNA and RNA in nitrogen bases? DNA में thymine there, RNA में uracil is there. Large number of nucleotides, up to 4.3 million nucleotides present in DNA. Fewer number of nucleotides in RNA, up to 1200 only. Majority of organism having genetic material DNA only, genetic material DNA. But majority of plant viruses, some animal viruses are having RNA is a genetic material generally. DNA double stranded, generally DNA double stranded, but RNA is a single stranded, except some regions of tRNA, RNA, rRNA is a remaining all are RNA single stranded only. DNA is a more stable, RNA is a less stable, RNA less stable. Kaiku second prime hydroxyl group is present. Then DNA self-replicate, but RNA not. RNA also synthesized with the help of DNA by the transcription process. Transcription process. DNA indirectly involved in protein synthesis. I was given that central dogma: DNA to mRNA, mRNA to protein. DNA indirectly involved in protein synthesis, but RNA directly involved in protein synthesis. Directly involved in a protein synthesis. This is the major differences between DNA and RNA. These are the major differences between DNA and RNA. Just I'll revise the important points. Why RNA is unstable? Sometimes 2 mark question. Why RNA unstable? Because second prime hydroxyl group is present. In place of thymine, uracil is present. Fastly mutate. That is very important. Can you mention the genetic material which is act as a catalyst? RNA. 23S rRNA act as a catalyst. 23S rRNA generally act as a catalyst. That is also very, very important. Then why DNA is a more stable? That is very important. Why DNA more stable? So sometimes in 3 mark question, why DNA is a more stable? Can you briefly explain? From the Frederick Griffith experiment, heat killed SS strain injected into mice. Then mice is alive in condition. That time what I said, some of the stains, however heating, some of the stains, I mean genetic material, however heating, some are inactive, some remain active only, still active only condition. So however heating, some characteristics only inactive, some features or some characteristics still active in condition. From that experiment only we can say DNA is a more stable. DNA how stable? Which of the following reasons also may chance to ask? From the Frederick Griffith experiment, heat killed SS strain when injected into mice. Heat killed, however heat killed, some strains are inactive. But when however inactive after heat killing, some strains, some are still active. That is one basic reason. Basic reason we can say DNA is a more stable. Adenine, thymine is present in place of uracil. Thymine is giving, and hydrogen bonds are present. Complementary bases phase through the hydrogen bonds. These are all the reasons more stable where DNA, more stable the DNA. See, this is the general information. Just I'll give the some words years to some experiments. Francis Crick, before that, Watson Crick proposed a double helix model, 1953, DNA double helix model, 1953. Erwin Chargaff rule, 1950. X-ray diffraction data given by Wilkins and Franklin, 1953. Watson Crick got the Nobel Prize, 1962. In 1865, Frederick Mission first discovered the acidic substance in nucleus, that is called nucleum. And important terms, Francis Crick given central dogma in 1958. Francis Crick. Transforming principle Transforming principle given by Frederick Griffith in 1928. The organism Streptococcus pneumonia. Biochemical nature of transforming principle given by Avery, MacLeod, McCarthy in 1933 to 1944 in the organism Streptococcus pneumonia. Transduction experiment or DNA is a genetic material. Blending experiment or DNA is a genetic material. Confirmation given by Hershey and Chase in 1952. That's also given that. So this is important words, important dates about